A slew of Garmin Fenix 8 features has been leaked ahead of the watch's release date. According to German retailer Ohren Lounge, the Fenix 8 will be available in multiple variants, including various sizes and 2-screen options. Although the listing has been pulled, the details have already surfaced. Garmin is known for filling every possible gap in its product lineup, and the Fenix 8 embodies this approach. Here are 7 key upgrades you should know about. MIP and OLED screen variants. Garmin has rapidly expanded its OLED watch offerings in recent years. While it seemed likely that the Fenix 8 would adopt OLED across the board, it will actually come in both OLED and MIP variants. MIP, Memory in Pixel, is an older screen technology once standard in Garmin's high-end watches. It excels in bright conditions where OLED screens need to boost power to compete with ambient light. While OLED and MIP watches may have similar battery life on paper, MIP models are much more efficient outdoors, especially with the always-on display mode. 3 size options. The Fenix 8 will come in 3 sizes: 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm, similar to the Fenix 7 series. Garmin is likely to continue using the S and X model names from the Fenix 7 series. However, not all sizes will be available in both screen types. The MIP version will only be offered in the 47mm and 51mm sizes. Solar charging for MIP models only. Like the Fenix 7 series, the Fenix 8 offers solar charging, but only for the MIP editions. Garmin has yet to release an OLED watch with solar charging, as this feature makes more sense for power-efficient MIP screens. Solar charging is expected to be 50% more effective in the Fenix 8, either due to a new solar cell design or a larger solar charging area, up to 48 days of battery life. The Fenix 8 offers impressive battery life, with up to 48 days for the MIP with solar charging versions and up to 29 days for the OLED version. This is an improvement over the Fenix 7 Pro, whose longest-lasting model offers up to 37 days of use. Smaller bezels, larger screens. Although the Fenix 8's casing sizes are similar to previous models, some screens have grown. The 47mm Fenix 8 will reportedly feature a 1.4-inch screen, up from the 1.3 inches of the 47mm Fenix 7 Pro. The largest 51mm designs will retain their 1.4-inch screens, built-in speaker and microphone. The Fenix 8 will reportedly include both a microphone and speaker, potentially enabling digital assistant features first introduced in the Venue 2 series. You might also be able to take hands-free calls, which wasn't possible with the Fenix 7 Pro. Dive-ready durability. In a move that challenges the Apple Watch Ultra, the Fenix 8 is reportedly dive-ready. While previous Garmin models had 10 ATM water resistance, suitable for surface swimming, the Fenix 8 can apparently withstand dives up to 40 meters, just like the Apple Watch Ultra. The Garmin Fenix 8 is expected to be officially announced on August 27.